This is Pine Street Extension near Horseshoe Pond, Mine Falls Park, Nashua. In the summer, this place was bustling. There were people living in tents, there were people living in trailers. We were told they had no other places to stay. I remember seeing people cooking their dinners by bonfires. One place had a canoe, nice trailer, a deck, a grill. It looked like it was someone setting up at a state park up in the White Mountains. Over in this corner was a woman who looked like she was living with her 10-year-old daughter in a trailer. We were told people had no other place to stay.
I don't want to lose my home. Please understand that that's, what you're making orders of, and all are dealing with my own home where I'm presently at.
So they're going to move somewhere else, and then you pick them up again, you charge them another $100, and then you charge them another $100. I'm not a lawyer, but I think after a time, that becomes something where then I assume that the judge is going to say, well, you're not paying all these fines. Do we have to put you in jail for that? I've been praying for your souls, so I just can't believe you would even consider an action like this.
Well, where are they now? I'm glad they got out of the cold. No one should be sleeping out here in the winter. But how is it that they can find a place when the weather is cold? And how can we encourage them to stay there instead of coming here and using the park as a campground? In June, this end of Mine Falls Park was packed, filled with blue tents, looked like they'd been bought by one organization, well-meaning people. And we were told at city meetings that they have no other place to stay, so it's cruel to have them go. Then why did they apparently find warm, safe places to stay in January? And I don't want people out here in the cold, so I'm glad they have a place to stay. If the city could figure that out, then we could end our homeless problem, or at least the problem of people being unsheltered. What's happening when the weather gets warm, people come out here. They don't have to follow the regulations and the restrictions of the shelter or the relatives that they're staying with. So we're actually enabling people's addiction problems. If we stopped letting people camp here and told them to stay wherever they are right now, this would be a much safer park, and the people who are sleeping out here could stay someplace safer as well.